Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix Roblox has crashed or error code 277. So first, let's start what is the error code 277 means. So the Roblox error 277 usually means a connection problem between your device and Roblox servers. So it's a very common on unstable Wi-Fi or the mobile data. So to fix that, you just have to restart and switch internet. This is the most effective one. So to do that, just close your Roblox completely, turn off your Wi-Fi, and then turn it back on. So if on Wi-Fi, you just have to try mobile data or vice versa, and just have to reopen the Roblox and join a game again. So this alone fixes the error 277 for many users. Now for fix number 2 is you can also check the Roblox server status. So if the Roblox servers are down, nothing on your side will fix it. So what you're going to do is just wait for 10 to 30 minutes and avoid rejoining the server repeatedly. So fix number 3 is to clear Roblox cache. This is for Android and the PC. So to do that on the Android, just go to settings, tap on apps, and then go to Roblox. Tap on the storage and tap clear cache, not clear data. So for PC, you just have to press the Windows plus R and then type this. I'm just going to flash it on the screen and then delete the Roblox folder, and then you just have to restart your PC. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!